That one registered 3.8. Another Super Bowl record, the first refrigerator to score.
The players of the Bears, when you consider, here's a guy that Buddy Ryan said that was a bad draft choice. He didn't like him when they picked him #1. But he's such a good guy that even with all the publicity, the veteran Bears aren't envious. They love him. South Carolina, you bet. Clemson.
I think Buddy used that publicity to motivate this young man to lose some weight more than anything else.